In this video, I'm going to show how to embed the property tour into websites. The tour can be embedded into websites. As a first step, you need to choose a view from which the tour will begin. If you chose the viewpoint, click on the Share button and look for the Embed option. You can embed the tour with two types of codes, with HTML5 code and with iframe. Iframe is the older and better known type, while the HTML5 is the newer and more modern one. In both cases, you can set the height and the width, and you can choose the compact mode, the version with map mode, and the random view mode. Now, let's try all of these. In order to try one of these with the test button, set the height and the width to 50-50%. You can set these values in pixels as well. If you scroll down and click on the test button, then you see that a much more compact, minimized view is displayed. In this view, you can find all functions, but if you want to use the tour with this size on a website, the compact mode is much more recommended. So, choose the compact mode. Then you will see that the new view does not contain such elements as the map, the datasheet, and the gallery at the bottom. Here you can navigate with the arrows, and you can change the place by clicking on the left and right arrows on the left and right sides of the screen. If you click on the magnifier, the complete tour opens in new tab, now with all of its functions. Now close this and return to embedding. You can also choose to display the tour with a map. So now, let's test this. In this case, the tour begins with the floor plan, and you can either choose viewpoints or simply close the floor plan. The random view directs you from the view that was set first, and it will vary between those three main places which were set as primary places by the tour's creators. The tour can be inserted with simple links as well. In this case, you have to copy the link under the preview image of the tour, and the tour will be available by simply clicking on the photo or the link. Your tour's link will vary constantly in every moment you stop. If you copy this link and then open it in new tab, the tour will open with that viewpoint at which you stopped and copied the link from the address bar.